Ever wondered about the challenges of importing from Alibaba to Pakistan? Welcome to our video where we unravel the intricacies of running a business that involves importing goods directly from China. As we delve into this topic, we'll be exploring Alibaba, a leading platform for global wholesale trade. This video is your step-by-step guide on how to go about buying products from Alibaba, whether you're based in Pakistan or any corner of the globe. We understand that the vast array of suppliers and products can be overwhelming, and it's crucial to ensure you're dealing with verified suppliers to avoid any unpleasant surprises. We will break down these processes, providing insights to help you navigate Alibaba with confidence. By the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge you need to source products effectively and efficiently, ensuring your business thrives. So let's dive into the process of importing from Alibaba. The first step is to create an account on Alibaba's official website. You'll quickly locate a sign up button. Clicking on it will usher you into the account creation process. Now don't fret, there's no rocket science involved here. It will prompt you to enter your country of residence and your trade role. Are you a buyer, a seller, or perhaps both? For our purposes, let's assume you're a buyer. Then, you'll need to provide your email. Make sure it's an authentic one, not an unknown or rarely used account. Next, set a secure password and confirm it. If you have a company name, great. If not, an e-commerce website name will suffice. Then you're asked for your full name and phone number. After a quick verification, click register and voila, your account is created. With your account created, you're now ready to explore Alibaba's vast marketplace. Now that you have an account, it's time to find the products you want to import. Alibaba is like a treasure chest, filled to the brim with all kinds of products. Your task is to sift through it and find the gems that will bring value to your business. To get started, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the name of the product you're looking for and hit enter. Alibaba will then present you with a plethora of options. These are products from different suppliers, each with their own prices and specifications. While this may seem overwhelming at first, Alibaba provides a feature to make this easier. Top-ranking product suggestions. These are products that are popular among buyers, have high reviews, and are often a good starting point for your research. However, if you have a specific product in mind, you can bypass these suggestions and dive straight into the search results. Browse through the options, examine the prices, check the specifications, and make a note of the ones that catch your eye. Now let's talk about filters. Filters are your best friend when it comes to narrowing down your search. One of the most important filters is the Trade Assurance filter. Trade Assurance is a free service offered by Alibaba that's designed to help create trust between buyers and suppliers. Suppliers with the Trade Assurance badge have been vetted by Alibaba and are considered reliable. By choosing these suppliers, you get quality assurance, on-time shipment, and protection if your products don't meet the agreed-upon standards. To apply this filter, click on Trade Assurance on the left-hand side of the page. The search results will then refresh, showing you only the products from suppliers who offer trade assurance. Selecting the right product is crucial, but equally important is choosing the right supplier. The next step in this process is to verify your supplier, which we will discuss in the next scene. Happy hunting! Identifying a reliable and verified supplier is a vital step in the importing process. But what exactly is a verified supplier on Alibaba? In essence, a verified supplier is a seller that has been inspected and authenticated by Alibaba itself, providing an added layer of security for buyers. To find these verified suppliers, you simply need to apply a filter in your search. On the Alibaba platform, look for the Supplier Features section and click on the Verified Supplier option. This will narrow down your search results to only include suppliers that have been vetted by Alibaba. Now you might be wondering, why should I choose a verified supplier? Well, there are several benefits to dealing with verified suppliers. Firstly, quality assurance. Verified suppliers are required to maintain high standards for their products. Alibaba ensures this by conducting regular inspections and checks. So you can rest easy knowing that the products you're importing will meet your expectations. Secondly, secure transactions. With verified suppliers, you are protected under Alibaba's trade assurance policy. This means that if anything goes wrong with your order, Alibaba will step in to handle any disputes. It's like having a safety net, ensuring that your money is well protected. Lastly, timely shipments. Alibaba's verified suppliers are held to strict delivery times. This means that your products will arrive when they're supposed to, avoiding any unnecessary delays that could affect your business. But remember, while these verifications and assurances do provide a safer environment for trade, it's always important to do your own due diligence. Take the time to communicate with the suppliers, understand their processes, ask for samples if possible, and read reviews from other buyers. Choosing a verified supplier not only ensures product quality, but also provides a secure and reliable transaction. So, take the time to find the right supplier for your needs, and you'll be well on your way to successful importing. You've chosen your product and verified your supplier. Now, what's next? Well, the next step is finalizing your import. This is where things get a bit technical, but nothing to worry about. We'll break it down so it's as simple as pie. First off, let's talk about payment methods. Alibaba provides a variety of options for you to choose from. You can use credit or debit cards, bank transfers, or even Western Union. However, the most secure and recommended option is Alibaba's Trade Assurance. It's a free service that gives you peace of mind, ensuring your payments are protected from any potential fraud. Next up, shipping. Now this largely depends on the quantity and weight of the products you're importing. For smaller quantities, you might want to consider using courier services like DHL or FedEx. For larger quantities, sea freight might be a more cost-effective option. Always remember to confirm shipping costs with your supplier before finalizing the order to avoid any unexpected charges. Now, onto import duties and taxes. This is a crucial aspect of importing that you must not overlook. Every country has its own rules and regulations regarding import duties. In Pakistan, for example, import duties can range from 0 to more than 100% of the product's value, depending on the product category. It's advisable to consult with a customs broker or use an online duty calculator to estimate these costs. Once you've tackled these steps, you're all set to place your order. Just click on Place Order and follow the prompts. Make sure to review the order summary carefully before confirming. After your order is placed, keep in constant communication with your supplier. Ask for updates regarding production and shipping to ensure everything is going smoothly. Finally, once your products arrive, inspect them thoroughly to make sure they meet your expectations. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact your supplier or Alibaba's customer service. And there you have it. The process of importing from Alibaba to Pakistan simplified. Let's quickly recap the key points we've covered in this video. We started by discussing how to create an Alibaba account, a straightforward procedure that requires your basic information. This account is your gateway to a wide array of products available for import. We then moved on to the all-important task of product selection. We learned that Alibaba's platform is vast, offering a myriad of products to choose from. We emphasized the importance of detailed research and careful selection. Remember, the product you choose is not just a purchase, but an investment in your business. Next, we delved into the crucial step of supplier verification. We learned about the trade assurance filter and the verified supplier filter. These are crucial tools provided by Alibaba to ensure that the suppliers are authentic and reliable. Utilizing these filters can save you from potential pitfalls and ensure that you're dealing with genuine suppliers. Finally, we talked about finalizing the import. We discussed how, once you've verified your supplier and selected your product, you move on to finalizing the import. This process involves negotiating the terms of the deal, arranging for the payment, and organizing the shipping. Each of these elements is crucial in ensuring a successful import. Throughout this guide, we have emphasized the importance of each step in the import process. From creating your account to finalizing your import, each step builds upon the previous one, ensuring a smooth and successful import process. Importing products from Alibaba is not a daunting task if you're equipped with the right knowledge and tools. With this guide, you're now equipped to navigate the world of Alibaba and start your import journey. Happy importing!